I was at work. I was at work in the morning, and I remember it being dark, like a storm was coming in, but not necessarily like anything that I'd be overly concerned about.
Well, a half an hour before that, I was in Cedar Rapids. I had a doctor's appointment, and I was coming back home, and they're saying 100-mile-an-hour winds, cars are blowing off the road, and I'm like, heard that, done that. It's not going to happen. It was worse. It was worse than that.
We had never heard of anything like this before. I've heard of straight line winds, maybe 60, 70 miles an hour, but double that, and for 40 minutes, unlike anything we even knew we could experience here.
I've never experienced anything like that before. I've sat through a mild tornado, but it was nothing like that. But as soon as everything was clear, it's like we were right out the door again. It was only 1:30 in the afternoon. We had half a day left, and we had to get something done.
We had citizens everywhere. Anybody that knew how to run a chainsaw was probably running a chainsaw. Their kids were out dragging debris away. There was literally anybody that would. To see the entire community approach come at that is the reason we were able to impact it the way we were.